So these are the almonds and the dates which are soaked overnight. I have 40 almonds and 10 dates here. Now I'm going to simply grind it to paste without adding any water to it. So here I have ground the dates and the almonds together, and this is the main part. This has to be really ground well into a smooth paste. As you can see, this is a very smooth texture that we need, and that 1 glass of water was just perfect. And this texture is like really smooth. There has to be absolutely no lumps, no pieces of almonds. Nice and smooth, just that little natural coarseness of the almonds and the little dates. That's it, and this is perfect. And now I have transferred the entire mixture in the glass jar, and this is going to last us for a good week, 10 days. This is going to be a date tea that we're going to have, and the iron in this is great for anemia, hair fall, for your periods, if you're not getting your charms on time, if you are suffering from PCOD, thyroid, you cannot even imagine the health benefits. The almonds are so rich in vitamin E. In fact, this drink is like a fountain of youth. I would say it's like a combination of everything. Great energy, superb immunity. We cannot even talk enough about the health benefits. So we're going to prepare this and let's see how it turns out in our cup. So here is the paste which I had kept in the fridge, the date almond paste. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 teaspoons to this cup. I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder, which I really love. I love the flavor of cardamom, and so does my mom. She's very fond of cardamom. She loves her elaichi wali chai, and she loves elaichi in almost everything. So it's just very little, just a pinch of cardamom powder. Heat it up nicely. And now I'm going to add some piping hot water to this. And that's our date tea. It's ready to sip, nice and hot. So while I'm enjoying this tea, guys, I want to tell you the benefits of this miracle potion. It's unbelievable how this can really work for us. Number 1 is iron. So all of us who have been anemic, or if the hemoglobin levels have been low, or if you have been suffering from excessive hair fall, if you feel your periods are not on time, if your menstruation is delayed, if you're heading menopause, all of these things are so related to your iron. So many times we go and get so many products and so many pills and vitamins, just figuring out what's not right and why is my hair falling or why are my cycles not on time. It's mostly to do with the hormone of your iron, which is your ferritin levels. So always get your fasting ferritin levels checked whenever you want to see how healthy is your iron level. Well, something like this on a regular basis can definitely keep you away from the deficiency. So this can work miraculously for iron. Another very big benefit is it's great for your gut health. So a lot of people who suffer from constipation regularly, this can work miraculously for your gut health and give you a very good bowel. In case you want to add a teaspoon of almond oil, or you can add a little ghee to your same drink, and this can be like a natural laxative. So it works brilliantly for your gut health. Also for your skin, I think this is like a fountain of youth, guys. It's full of antioxidants. It works amazingly just to keep your skin naturally moisturized and supple. It works brilliantly. When it comes to immunity, nothing can beat this, because your colds, your flus, your regular infections which you're prone to, all of those things, you will suddenly start seeing that they are reducing and they are not occurring as frequently as they used to, because this combination is beautiful. This drink is a combination of everything. You've got your carbs, you've got your protein, you've got your fats, you've got your fiber. So it's like a complete meal. It's an amazing energy booster. So also for people who are Ramadan fasting right now and they are breaking their fast in the evening with dates, instead if you just have a cup of date almond tea, this can work beautifully for keeping your energy levels high, not allow that acidity to form, give you that perfect sugar spike, which is great for your energy. And also if you're diabetic, please do not hesitate to have it. So diabetics can definitely have something like that, and the balance of dates and almonds in this particular drink is so beautiful that it will not allow the blood sugar to instantly spike. You can anyway choose your dates cleverly if you're a diabetic, and if you're choosing it in this combination, it's absolutely safe. You can have a cup a day and be perfectly fine with it. In the morning, if you're having this cup regularly, you'll be amazed to know that it gives you a spike in your hormone melatonin, which is an amazing sleep inducer. So a lot of sleep therapists also swear by it, and they say that this is going to be a brilliant combination, especially if you are struggling with sleep. So in the morning, if you have 1 cup of this, which is your 2 teaspoons of your date paste along with your water as a hot date tea, it's beautiful. It'll just naturally make you sleep like a baby. It has so many benefits. My mom is anemic. She's been suffering from sleep problems, and we've been working on all these different natural remedies for her, and they have worked so well for her. And I can't wait to send this date tea to my mom. And I hope you guys can also try this at home and benefit from the various benefits this date tea gives us. So you always stay in the pink of health. Wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you again, Falcon Dates, for sending these dates to me timely during this lockdown, and they are simply amazing. They taste great. I am really happy that I could get this for my mom for Mother's Day. Thank you so much. Have a great Mother's Day to all of you. Stay healthy, stay I think.